So this is my 1972 Longboy 3057. And today we're gonna do the first start of the year. It's been sitting all winter. Before I put it away, I fogged the cylinder, just in case any moisture got in there and whatnot. And yeah, it's I picked this mower up in, I think it was August of 2017, and this past January got it running. Needed some new parts, carburetor, the recoil. You see it says D601. This is really a D432, and it needed a fuel tank too. This one's not too great, but it's a better one I had lying around. It's supposed to have white triangular wheels or nuclear wheels, but I put green on them because I like the way the green looks better, kind of like on a 3056. So yeah, we're gonna see how this thing's gonna start. It's got ethanol-free gas in it right now. I just topped it off. As you can see, it's cold, and it might smoke a little. I have that fogging oil in there, so see how it does. Turn the fuel on. As you can see, my fuel valve leaks a little bit. You can hear the fuel squirting in, that's a good sign. Oh yeah, this recoil is pretty much brand spanking new. All the grease is warm now. It was kind of tough to pull in the winter after I got it done, but now all the grease warmed up in there, pulls real nice. So yeah, this thing should fire right up. Gotta love that. So this little Bricktop just runs like a dream. I could use a carb gasket and the fuel valve fixed, but I never had a chance last year after I got it, or this past January, after I got it running, to really put a load on it and run it through some grass, some high grass. So that was good for it. And this is just one of the oldies in my collection. Let's see how fast it starts back up.